Welcome to Instant Mind Quiz, the place where your brain meets fun. In today's challenge, you'll guess the animal using only emojis. Think fast, guess smart, and see how many you can get right. Ready to play? Let's jump right in. Can you guess this one? Monkey. That's a blooming good guess. Well done. Let's see if you can guess this one. Deer. Nice job. All right, next up, let's see if you can get this one. Hamster. Those were the first three. Have you guessed them all so far? This one's a bit trickier. Let's see if you can get it right. Seahorse. Well played. Next one coming up. Think you've got this one? Dragonfly. All right, get ready for the next one. Firefly, a sparkling good guess, my friend. Let's see how well you do with this. Starfish, that's a shining guess. Time for the next one. Let's see what you make of this. Ladybug, great job. Here's the next one. Think you know it? Angelfish, you've got wings with that answer. Well done. Can guess it. Cricket? All right, let's keep it moving. Can you guess this next one? Housefly, that's a tiny but mighty guess. Next up, let's see if you can guess this one. Mouse? All right, get ready for the next one. Think you can guess it? Penguin, a beachy guess. Well played. Next one coming. Let's see if you can crack this one. Frog, well done. Let's see if you can guess this one. Dolphin. Ready for the next one? Here it comes. Catfish. That one's a deep dive. Great job. Let's move on to the next one. Can you guess it? Bluebird, you fluttered to that answer. Let's see if you can take flight with this next one. Chicken. Let's see if you can crack the code for this next one. Tiger, you've got the courage with that guess. Let's see if you can show some bravery with the next one. Woodpecker, a sparkling good guess, my friend. Let's see how well you do with this next one. eagle. You've got some magical guessing skills. Next one, think you can make some magic with this guess. Wildcat. Alright, get ready for the next one. Think you can guess it. Stork, that's a great guess. Next up, get ready for this one. Snow leopard, you've cracked that one. Great job. Next one, can you guess it? Polar bear, that's a mythical guess. Great job. Next up, let's see if you can guess this one. Honeybee, that's a sweet guess. Let's see if you can dunk this next one. Flamingo, you're flying high with that guess. Let's see, can you guess this one? Waif dog, that's a spinning good guess. Let's see if you can ride the wave to the next one. Seagull. Next one, let's see if you can reel this one in. Hornbill. Let's see if you can tune into this next one. Antbird, that's a slam dunk. Next one coming your way, let's see if you can guess it. Lionfish, you've caught that one hook, line, and sinker. Next one, let's see if you can reel this one in. Cowbird, you fluttered to that answer. Let's see if you can take flight with this next one. Elephant fish, you've caught that one easily. Let's see if you can reel in this next one. Bulldog, that's a spinning good guess. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a quiz.